Well, that looks a funny shape, but I think it's just the angle. That cost right a bit. Anyway, got a new chop, not a chop saw, table saw. The one stopped rising and falling properly on the blade. Ooh, looks very nice. Obviously, I've seen the one in the shop anyway. Don't stab yourself in the leg, Gary. That won't go well. Oh yeah. It looks more built than I thought. It's obviously just the legs you've got to build. Well, let's turn it right over. Do the old lift the box off the top thing. Don't smash it on the floor though. What's going on? We're expecting that to happen. Everything seems fine now. That's dinted. That didn't happen just then, that was already dinted, that weren't me. And that one's all bent and dinted as well. Well, let's see where that goes, because I might be taking them back. That didn't just happen then, surely. Surely you should be able to take that anyway. Right. Hopefully nothing else falls out now. The box. Looks very yummy inside. The box in there as well with some more bits in it. Push stick. So if anyone's watching this, don't tip it over and let those plates fall out, because they didn't easily. Might have been that fall that did it, but I don't think it was. Ooh, it's quick release on the fence. That's good. Don't need that bit. That's a bit weird, isn't it? Though? It's just a piece of polystyrene in a bag. Maybe that's important. I'll keep that bit. I don't think it will be, but it's a bit weird, isn't it? Destructions. Flip it over. How'd you get that box out? It's a bit weird that it doesn't have the lines on it. They've normally got lines all the way across, you know, so when you're putting your fence on, you can sort of line it up against the edge of them. I've got my grooves, which is cool. It's a bit quicker on the angle. On the last table saw I had, you had to wind a handle here to adjust the blade. But on this one, you just undo that, push it to where you want it, and then tighten it up again. So that's better. Oh, I think that box has got in there. Maybe that's how you get it out. Yeah, that's how you get that box out. Cock the blade over. Tighten that back up. This is all plastic. I thought that was metal, the body of it. Oh well, keeps it light, I suppose. Fancy switch, so you can't turn it on by mistake. Got to lift that up to, and then obviously you can just hit that, it goes off. So here's the bench I made for the other one that we're building the other day, which I discovered it broke. All I did on the old one, I wound the blade all the way to the top to see how deep it'll cut, and then all the way back down again, and then when I tried to wind it back up, it wouldn't go back up. There was like a little washer that fell off, like where an E-clip would go over it to hold it so it pushes and pulls. Well, that washer had popped off the end, and now when it pushes and pulls, it just pulled through what it was meant to be pulling on. So new one rather than fix that one. Anyway, I'll get it all together and then you'll see the next bit.